is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the
Alright guys, let's get into this video. Today I'm working with this unit from Kriyya. Is it Kriyya? Something like that. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. This unit is their honey blonde highlight body wave human hair wigs. Ombre color. The lace is 13 by 4 lace front wig and the density is 150 density. So first thing to start with, I apply a wax stick all over the edges. The hair came already pre-plucked. I did not work on this unit at all. It came this way. You say it's special, one of a kind. You guys can see that hairline is so gorgeous. I love it so much. You don't need to do any work. If you want to twist the hairline more, you can do that, but to me they did a very good job twisting this hairline. The way it came, it's perfect, but you can as well twist more if you like. So I'm using a hot comb to take the hair backward. So this is just to slip the hair in order for me to cut out the excess lace smoothly. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. This hair is tangle free, very soft and no shedding. So I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you are interested you can check that out. You can see the hairline, you can see the hair is perfect. I did not twist anything from it. So I did cut off the excess lace off camera. Don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back. I think I have a video of how I cut excess lace from my wigs. In case if you want, you can check. So I'm going to leave the link to that video on the description box, so you check that out. To the end, it don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you what. I apply oil on the hair. And also I apply this olive oil. Is heat resistant, is a musk. It does two things. It resists heat in case if you want to use a hot comb, a straightener on it, it will not affect the wig, and also it gives the hair shine. You can see the wave of the hair. You can carry this hair like this without coiling it. But if you want more coils, you can coil it and you can as well straighten this hair. If it's your first time here, thank you so much. I appreciate. Please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe and click on that bell icon if you do subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate. So I did coil this hair. It's not that easy coiling your hair when the wig is laid on your head. I'm very careful. I'm even scared not burning myself. Coiler hook inside my earrings. Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing that is it. I did coil the rest of camera and I did my makeup as well. So look at it, how gorgeous. One thing I like about the hair, the texture is very soft. There was nothing like shedding, and also the hair did not tangle. So I like that about this hair. And the lace also is not inchy. It's not like some of those laces that inches whenever you glue them down. This one melted, as you guys can see. The hairline. So you can leave the hair this way if you want. I did bring out some baby hairs.
Mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do.
So I use a styling mousse to slay those baby hairs to make it look bum 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 bum. But you can skip this part. I know you can wear the hair without bringing out baby hairs, because not everybody that like bringing out baby hairs.
My highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems, I know
I hope you guys like this hair review. I'm going to leave the link to it on the description box, so if you're interested, head to the description box and check that out. And I'm going to leave also direct link to their website on the description box. So if it is not this wig, if you want any other wig, because they have so many wigs on their channel on their website, so don't hesitate to check that out. So that is it for this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next one. Don't hesitate to check on the description box, because the direct link to this wig will be on the description box. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Please, before you go, if you like this review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? And please, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person.